Okay, so we are looking at a new wireless mic setup, and this one's from a company called CaTeFo. It's a Star100. Now, this is their, I want to say, entry point for their wireless. If you actually look over at their website here, this is the Star100 all-in-one design wireless microphone. But they also have, if you kind of come back here into their wireless systems, you'll see that there's a 100, there's a 200, just one unit, 2 unit, there's a Star 500. So they kind of go up from here. But, you know, for a lot of us that are possibly just starting out on YouTube, or we want to do vlogging or whatever, or maybe it's just a one-of scenario, can you get good enough audio from something that on Amazon, at least on Amazon US, comes in at like $60. $60 for a dual mic setup is pretty inexpensive. So today what we're going to do is just take a look at what they have to say on the Amazon listing. We'll crack open the box and see what it comes with. And then I'm going to hook this into one of my cameras and we'll record the audio and see what it sounds like. This is really inexpensive. Noise reduction on transmitter. You know what? I get it in some scenarios, but for me, I'm hoping that there's some kind of light or something that tells us that this is on or off, because I think I would like to have it off and just use one of the noise reduction pieces of software that you and I can implement or use that's in a lot of editing software right now. Built-in mic on the receiver, that's actually really nice. So just for the fact that you can have, as you see in the picture, 2 transmitters, so 2 people, and someone that's behind the camera, it'll pick up as well. So that's fantastic. I really like that. Compatible with all equipment, so you'll see it's for Type C. My guess would be that possibly also like an iPad. Type C to 3.5 millimeter for a computer, Type C to 3.5 millimeter again for cameras, and it has a Type C to Type C X1 for lightning. I'll have to see that just to see. And there's a little picture of everything that comes in the box. Yeah, $60 bucks, you know? What are you gonna save for $60? Anyways, this is it right here. This is the Star100 from CaTeFo audio and video equipment. Oh yes, perfect for YouTube videos, vlogging, live streaming, and podcasting. Which, you know, there's something that I'm thinking of doing on possibly this channel. I think maybe this channel is that I'm very much contemplating. What is that? What is that? Warning: only suitable for people over 14 years old. Buckyballs are highly magnetic. Please keep them away from children. Do not swallow them. Good thing you told me. If swallowed, by mistake, please seek medical help immediately. I don't know what that is. Maybe that's a magnet that you can put on so that you can stick it like to your shirt or something like that. Maybe that's the gift. Oh, it comes in a case. Well, that's fantastic that it comes in a case, and you get a very small little manual, but yeah, that's very small. I'm gonna have to take pictures of that, but it comes with a manual, so I'll take pictures just so I can physically read it. I do like that it comes with a case. Yes, that is nice. It's not a charging case, but it is hard. It is a hard case, which is excellent. So that's gonna be able to throw in your bag and protect. And then it's like, there's your charge. So it's a case in a case. There's your everything right there. I like that. Actually, I like that quite a bit. We'll have to dive a little deeper into that. You get a little wind muff, and then you're gonna get all your cables, right? 2 wind muffs, so that's 3 wind muffs. So you get a wind muff for the reverse on the receiver, and then for the 2 transmitters. There's your USB A to USB-C. There is a bunch of USB-C to 3.5 mil. You get 2 of those. You get USB-C to USB-C, and it looks like pass-through USB-C, and you get USB-C to USB-C to Lightning. You get all the cables. You get all the cables. Now, I'm gonna put that over here. I'm still curious as to what this magnetic thing is. We'll just leave that there. We'll just leave it there. And then you get this. This is the CaTeFo. Yes. There's your USB-C charger on the back. There's your power button there. I like the matte kind of rubbery look that the case has. If we open it, no lights yet, but if I hit the power button, tap, there we go. So you'll see that it doesn't turn on or off based on the top opening. It turns on and off based on the power button, but you can see there, looks like these are all in kind of charge mode right now. So make sure that if you throw them in the bag that you turn the case on so that it powers them up. Let's take one of them out. Let's take one of them out. I don't know which is which, so we'll just kind of pull them out. So our RX, so that's your receiver. That's good. That would go on the camera, which we'll do. There's going to be your plus and minus. There's a headphone, so if you want to be able to monitor it from there, you can. And then there's your charger. I'm guessing that would be a charger if you want to charge this. If it's maybe outside the case, and there's the power button for it. Okay, and then these would be transmitters, and really they look the same as the receiver, you know, except for that's a headphone jack, and then that would be an external mic. Now, it doesn't come with any external mics, but if you did have your own lavalier mic or something that you preferred, then you could use that. Now, my guess is these really should just have to be, is there anything on here like for stickiness? I don't know. I want to say maybe. So because it's shiny. Yeah. So there is a little cover on these. So my guess is make sure you take that off so that your mic is there, you know, and this one as well. I'm going to take that one off because again, if not, you got a piece of paper that's covering. I'm hoping that you take these off, but I'm honestly, I'm not 100% sure. It could be that the center is protected. Okay, so I've left one of these on. I can't tell if it wants you to remove those or not. It's, you know, it doesn't say anything about removing them. Maybe they're not supposed to be removed. I can't, like if you look at the bottom of this, it looks like it's supposed to stay stuck on there. I have a feeling this is supposed to stay on. I think it's supposed to look like a speaker grate, grill, whatever, right? That's on there like so. And that center piece is just kind of edged out a little bit so that you don't get like crazy muffle is my guess. Anyways, let's do this. Let's turn them both on. So if I turn you on, is there any lights? So there's a little blue light right there. And we'll turn this one on. And these two should, in theory, there you go. See? As soon as you turn them both on, they just connect to each other. So, sweet. All right. Now all I need to do is connect these to my camera, and we should be good. So this is the receiver. Again, I'm not 100% sure how those magnets work. I'm gonna do this. This is just gonna kind of dangle right there. I think that'll be okay. And then this is a transmitter. The transmitter, I'm gonna dangle. I'm gonna dangle here, like that. Okay, and then this one here, I'm gonna just connect into my phone. All right, so we have the USB. We need the lightning. So this is gonna go into this for the receiver. Yes. That clicks in there. It even says, you guys may be able to see it, it even says receiver on there. This one says phone, and this one on it says, oh, it's a charge. So if you want to be able to charge this while you're doing, oh, that's nice. Okay, so then we're going to plug that in there. Yes, it's in. Cool, and it actually came up and said that there was no accessory. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the blah, 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 Blackmagic app, because that one usually works pretty good. And we'll go into settings, And I think under audio, we're going to change that from iPhone to USB audio. Back here to camera. Hello, hello, hello. And we are getting, as you can see, we are getting some kind of, reception. This is saying that I don't have a lot of storage left. That's okay. But let's turn this, and we're going to hit record and see what happens here. So this is using the microphone from this right here, and I'm guessing if I turn this up and put this up closer, I may be able to get even better. Now it does have a volume indicator on the side. I'm guessing if I turn that up, maybe it'll become more sensitive. Maybe I'm not 100% sure, but really what we're doing is trying to figure out what the sound quality is like. So I'm gonna definitely keep that right there. And the other thing too is the transmitter or the receiver does have that ability. Like if I brought this up just really close, I should be able to be getting audio from the two of them, right? So if I took this, for instance, and but I have this, I don't know. See, it still says there's audio recording, so I'm guessing this is coming from this microphone. I'm going to check for a minute. I want to just read a little bit more on the manual just to see if it says anything about that sticker on the front. So hold on, I'll be right back. But you guys have heard it with the little sticker thing on there. Yeah, so it definitely doesn't say anything about you having to take those off. Now, my guess would be if for whatever reason your sound wasn't good, that you could definitely because if it wasn't loud enough, you could definitely take the stickers off, because they're on there, but they're not as if they look like they're supposed to be permanent. You know what I mean? They don't look like they're supposed to be permanent. The nice thing is you put these right back in there, and they start their charging mode, which is great. I can close that. You guys have heard it. I haven't heard it, but you'll be able to get an idea if you think that quality is good. All right, so I'm just kind of interrupting the video. I have this set up here, and I have taken the sticker. There's the sticker. I've taken the sticker off because I did find that the audio was a little quiet when the sticker was on. So I've taken the sticker off. I put the wind muff on because this is how I would use this microphone primarily, especially if you're outside vlogging and stuff. You're always going to want the wind muff on. Now, I wish there was a quicker way to put the wind muff on, like it's snapped on with some kind of magnet or snaps or something, but when it's on there, I guess it works. It's fine. Now, the other thing, and you guys may not be able to see this, but if you look at the microphone, there's a blue little light on it, and the blue little light, when it's solid, of course, means it's connected to the receiver. But if it's blue, that also means that noise reduction is turned off. And if you tap the power button, it'll go green. So right now it's recording with noise reduction off. So if I tap this, the button goes green, and now this is recording with noise reduction, noise canceling, whatever, turned on. So you guys will be able to get an idea what the noise canceling sounds like in regards to it off. Because I do have some drives over here that are doing a backup, so there is a bit of a hum, so I'm wondering if it'll take that out in either. Now I'm going to switch the noise canceling back off, so I go from the green light to the blue light, and hopefully you guys will be able to hear a bit of a difference. So the beginning, of course, was the iPhone recording. Now I'm actually recording into my Sony A7C, and we'll see what that sounds like. And back to the video. Now, what I will do is I'll put links down below to the Amazon listing. And again, the bonus is this was recorded with the phone through the Blackmagic app. The bonus is, of course, if you buy something like this through Amazon, which is why I like Amazon, especially if you have Amazon Prime, is that, you know what, you can try it for a day or two. You can try it for a week or two and be like, you know what, that sounds great. Or, you know what, that's not gonna fit my needs. Whatever it is, and it'd be able to return it and try something else. Anyways, I'm going to leave you guys there. I'm going to pack this all back up again. I'm going to go upstairs and take a listen to see what this thing sounds like. I do like the whole packing container. This whole box thing. I do like that. That's going to be very handy for travel. And that's it. Links down below, and we will see you guys next video. Later.